Hey guys, what's going on? AJ Gore here, and I've got some exciting news to tell you. They are here, the all-new KastKing Royale Legend rods. These premium Japanese 24-ton carbon fiber blanks have the patented KastKing CastFlex technology to them. It's actually a standard weave on your carbon fiber, but then they do a cross weave in their weaving system that gives it more of a sensitivity and better transition of power through the entire beam of the rod. That makes these things phenomenal for sensitivity and also gives you that assurance for setting the hook and cranking that fish in. So the Royale Legend rods also share the CastFlex technology as the Para G2 did. They also share the FUJI guides. One of the things that is upgraded though for the Royale Legend not seen on the Para G2 is you have a premium reel seat now. Instead of more of a plastic reel seat, you have an aluminum machined with some anodized coloring to it. The red fonts really trims it out nice, as well as some of the anodized red trim down the split handle here. Of course, they stepped it up, like on the Para G2 you had the KastKing logo. Now you have an aluminum KastKing logo right on the butt. Beautiful. Of course, you have the KastKing accents all down there. Tells you your medium to heavy power to fast action, things to that nature. And of course, the EVA comfort grips. This is a beautiful rod that you guys are gonna fall in love with. The action is amazing, and of course it's available in both spinning and bait casting rods. So just like we offered in the Para G2, you can also find in the Royale Legend the two-piece rod design. KastKing features a nice spigot connection here. You don't have to bottom it out. You just want to snug it up and that thing's going to work fantastic for you. So whether you want a two-piece or a solid one-piece rod, the KastKing Royale Legend is going to get it done for you.